Subscribe. Subscribe. Assalamu alaikum guys, day 3, and today we are going to be heading off to Cordoba to visit the Mezquita. Mezquita is mosque in Spanish. To visit the mosque of Cordoba, which is kind of like a mosque inside a cathedral or cathedral inside a mosque. I'm not entirely sure, but guys, I'm really looking forward to that. It's going to be a fun trip. We're going to see a lot of Islamic history. Even in Granada there's a lot of Islamic history, like mashallah, this shop here has got Surah Yasin playing, which is nice. It's a Christian country. Recording me, this clown. It's a Christian country with like some sort of Islamic foundation, which is always nice to see. Nice to have halal food as well. Wear this. Gracias. So yeah guys, very nice to see. As you guys have probably seen in the last vlog, it's a beautiful place. Granada is a city that I will never forget. If you haven't watched that video, I will leave it linked over there. But yeah guys, today we're going to be heading off to Cordoba. Before we do though, we're just going to have some breakfast at Papas Elvira. It's halal, so you know. Thank you man, for the promo. Pleasure. Appreciate it. What's that you've got there? Oh, is it Vimto?
It's Vimto, but it just tastes different.
What did we get again?
I don't remember. Too tired to remember.
Coffee with milk.
You did.
Americano for you.
I did.
And a meat pastry.
We did.
Brilliant.
Indeed.
What we got here, lads?
We got ourselves a little chicken pastry.
Pie.
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 What an owl, man. Imagine wearing plastic things in your mouth.
But like guys, look.
MashaAllah.
Still bites.
As you guys can see, a beautiful city, like I absolutely love. Just a bit like every building is in some way, shape or form aesthetic. The food's aight, it's aight, but like it's nice. Like you guys can see the buildings behind me, like it's just hella aesthetic. I think coming to Granada, I wasn't expecting much. Like I was just expecting obviously the palace and that's about it, but like there's a lot more to it. I am now just waiting for Imtiaz and Lahian to come up with the car, and then we'll be hitting the road and we'll be going to Cordoba, which is what this video is about really. For those of you that don't know, Spain used to be ruled by Muslims, so there's a lot of like Islamic culture here as well, especially in Granada and Cordoba. So you'll be seeing that a lot later on in the video. A lot of Islamic architecture, culture, history, and even like Cordoba in Arabic, it's actually pronounced Cordoba, like Cordoba. You can tell there's Arabic like lineage to the word, if that makes sense. So it's going to be a very interesting trip to Cordoba, and yeah guys, we'll see you on road. What's up guys? We've arrived in Cordoba after a very long drive. 2 hours, like my bum hurts man. I can't even come back from that. Anyways guys, we've arrived, alhamdulillah. Thank you Nahian for driving us here.
It's alright,
Yeah.
it's my pleasure.
He's speeding too much. He's speeding. Man was hitting 104 miles per hour on a 60 mile per hour.
We're so tired that we're speeding so
I'm
much.
joking. To be fair, I would have done the same, but because I'm a passenger, it feels weird for me. As in, I would have sped as well. Because I'm a passenger, it's a bit like, I don't know if that's the same as you guys.
Here's the keys to the
But yeah,
Bilal.
guys, we've arrived from the lobby. We're just gonna go to the Airbnb. I'll see you guys there. Struggling to get in.
Airbnbs are long sometimes.
They are, innit?
Just want to go in.
Which show is it? The one on this one.
Bless you.
Prada.
Oh, Prada. Bougie. Alright, we've got a nice little plant here. This is the kitchen. Not too shabby, you know. Very light. Noor ala noor.
It's a very big contrast to the last one.
Very big contrast. Like this is just white. And in here, we must have a bedroom. 2 single beds. Thank God. And then the toilet.
Yeah, standard.
Standard. Nice little apartment. Yeah. It's nice, it's cute, it's chic, it's modern, it's minimal, it's alright, you know? I like it. But yeah guys, this is the apartment. Let's depack. Pray salah, depack, unpack. Unpack, pray dhahar, and we shall be on our ways. Alright guys, so we're just gonna go get some food because we are famished, inshallah ta'ala, and we'll see you guys over there.
Sure.
I think this is it, guys. Do you wanna get baptized?
No.
What's going on, guys? So we are here, we're at the Mezquita de Cordoba. Obviously I think it's mainly cathedral, isn't it? Judging by the looks of it.
mosque before, bro.
But as you guys can see, we have the tower thing there. Yeah, let's go in.
Bro, it's so hot. And this camera is bare heavy. What are you saying?
Me.
Too bad. You don't get to say anything. Where's Bilal gone? Where the hell did he go, bro? Disappeared. Yeah.
Oh,
Got anything to say?
yeah. I'm just here. Yeah, using or rinsing Imtiaz's data. So who's
Because you're a
really losing?
brokey. You're
So
a
I'm a
you're-
brokey, yeah. I get away with it because I get your money.
That's why I'm a brokey. Where is he, man? Oh, there he is. Where is there he is?
Came out so bad.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah, so bad.
You have to stabilize it though.
I think I'm gonna try and get it this way. Oh wow, it's quite dark in here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Guys, wow man, it's pretty cool man. It's actually quite nice,
I love it.
isn't it? So many like nice things. That's a nice hyperlapse. It looks almost like Mecca Medina type, isn't it? I've never been, but you know, inshallah one day. But yeah guys, as you can see, clean your camera. It's just very, very nice.
That is actually dirty. That's probably why my pictures of it coming out.
Wow. Alright, you handsome geezer. We get it, we get it. What do you think?
Yeah, man. I dig it.
I dig it as well, it's nice man.
Yeah.
Obviously there's a lot of people, but you know, it's alright.
Security on my case, man. They didn't even let me sit down, bro.
He didn't let you sit down?
Nah.
What a clown.
It came out sick though.
Yeah?
As in like, it didn't come out sick. Oh, what the hell? That's a ghost, bro.
Alright guys, so that's our visit to Mosque-Cathedral de Cordoba. It's a nice place, not much to do obviously. Imtiaz kinda wish he could fly his FPV in here, but not gonna lie, playing football here would be lit. I'm being real, like there's so much space and like each pillar is like an opponent.
Perfect training ground.
Perfect training ground. But yeah, we're just heading out now. What are we gonna do now? We're gonna go to a bridge. Bro! Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna stand here, bro. Me. But like, that's because my hand's swinging. Sorry, Nahian. Sorry, camera. But yeah, guys, we're just gonna head out now. We'll take you with us.
So, monster. It's not what you think it is. If you turn it upside down, 666, the devil. Also, if you look, this is some Satan sign. And also, scratches, claws, the devil.
Make the noise.
Brr.
No.
Oh,
Yeah, there you go. We have reached the bridge. Oh wow, what a view. We're on the bridge. Yo, it's so hot, bro. I'm boiling. I can feel the sweat on my back. The janaza of who?
for this geezer.
Oh, which geezer?
Dead pigeon.
Oh, I wish I could zoom in. Actually, I wish I didn't. It's not really a sight we want to see, is it?
No.
The sight we want to see is this geezer over here.
So we are at this bridge and I was flying my drone, got some good shots, went under the bridge, it was all good. Then Bilal flew his drone and crashed it and is gone to look for it. I don't know where he's gone. The feds, they were asking about the drones. Apparently you're not allowed to fly it here, but hopefully Bilal finds it. We don't know where he's gone, because that will be shit if he lost it. but you'll find out after the break. This guy always loses his drone. It happened in Madeira. He didn't take his drone to Turkey, did he? No, he didn't. But he found it in Madeira. This one's a bit techie because don't know where it is. Oh,
We crashed the drone, man.
I already updated them. What's the update of the update?
So it's on that, on some top of that building, facing that way. And so we need to get onto the roof of that building, but I went there and it's closed. I think it's a siesta, innit?
I don't know how you'll get on top of that building though, bro. There's no top of it. It's a roof.
Is there no way of switching it back on, like
Nah.
connecting to it and flying it off?
It is on, it's connected, but it's flipped.
So you could connect to the camera right now?
Yeah,
Let's see.
that's where it is right now.
Is that the live view?
Yeah,
And then what if you turn it on? What will happen?
I tried it already. It won't fly up. It's upside down. Is that your building? No.
So it just doesn't turn on if you turn it on?
It's on.
As in if you press the throttle?
No.
You can't move anything?
Can play with the ISO.
Oh, okay. We don't want that.
Like I rang this door, it didn't ding. No, I'm not flying. I'm trying to find my drone.
Yeah, but because it's right way.
Yeah. My drone?
Yeah, sí.
It's on top there.
Up there. Arriba.
Yeah. ¿Sabes cómo ir ahí?
Sí.
en la puerta de aquella, ¿no?
Claro, pero arriba vas ahí tú.
¿Tienes acceso?
No.
So we can see the drone. It is flashing. I can see it's flashing. We can see the drone, but we can't access it, can we?
No, there's no way.
Oh man, that's an L, bro. It's literally on that roof. I can't zoom in, but it's on that roof. Oh, what an L. FYI, guys, we lost that drone. £1,300 as well. That's the biggest L for me.
Are we gonna have a funeral?
The thing is, we know where the drone is, but we can't actually access it. So I'm just gonna have to take the L. I've told the guys, like, if they're able to recover it, then just let me know and we'll see what we can do. But that's my L that I've had to take today.
That's fly FPV.
The most likely drone to fall was yours.
I know. Surprised.
Crashed on top of a church. Crashed on top of the building where the priests live, and apparently like they never answer the door, and it's on the roof anyway, so I don't know what they could have done. But we've not even told them about the feds.
They approached us.
They approached us
They asked questions.
and they asked questions. They asked about my license, which I don't currently have. I told them I left it in the hotel, whatever, and I didn't speak Spanish with them, and that I think I got away with it because I didn't think. But then they just left me alone. And the guy, apparently I was lucky not to get a ticket, so there's a positive you can take from it. But someone's got a full car 1.3k again? 1L. It's okay.
We turn those L's into W's.
Go on. Yeah.
Dubs.
I was so gay, but yeah.
I was worrying, Geezer. Let me get it.
You got back first.
Alright guys, so we're getting some churros. Entonces, lo que tenemos aquí.
Pues tenemos churros rellenos de Nutella, de Kinder, de dulce de leche. Tenemos sopaipa, que son típicas en Córdoba. Se pueden tomar dulce o salada.
Tienes el Instagram aquí.
Instagram.
Bueno.
La churrería se llama Moja el Churro.
Moja el churro. Bueno, ¿puedes subir por él?
Dime,
Subir por él para un foto.
¿una foto?
Sí.
Sí. Vamos a hacer los churros pequeñitos.
Yo, that is cute, man. That is very cute.
Cute isn't the right word.
What's the word?
I'd say it's 2 words.
Badass.
Oh shit! Yes!
Yeah? Man's a bad boy in that, you know? Alright guys, so it's the last day here, innit? The drone's gone, like, I'm over it now. But yeah guys, we're heading to the airport now. Just gonna head home. But yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, do leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new to the channel. And leave a comment on what you think. You know, if you want to pay your respects, you can comment RIP in the comment section. Won't do anything, but you know. But now guys, thank you for joining us. It's a bye-bye from Nahyan.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. And from inshallah, I'll see you guys in the next video.